OSHA estimates that about 239,000 general industry establishments employing 12 million people have confined spaces, and approximately 1.6 million people enter confined spaces annually. These spaces include mud tanks, water tanks, oil tanks, hoppers, and sumps. To address the hazards of these spaces, OSHA developed 29 Code of Federal Regulations 1910.146, which requires permitting for entry, administrative controls, and more. Despite this effort to address the hazards of confined spaces, OSHA estimates confined spaces cause 53 worker deaths, 5,000 lost day cases, and 5,700 other accidents annually, all of which are preventable. To help ensure your safety in and around confined spaces, we developed this training program. Topics covered include definitions, hazards of confined spaces, permitting, hazard mitigation, and case studies. The information is divided into multiple sections, featuring a knowledge assessment at the end of each section and a final test at the end of the program. Different employees will have different responsibilities around confined spaces. This section will look at the responsibilities of attendants, authorized entrants, entry supervisors, rescue personnel, contractors and subcontractors. Air purifying respirators use a filter or sorbent to remove airborne contaminants from the air before it is inhaled. A permit-required confined space meets the criteria of a confined space, plus has the following: contains or has the potential to contain a hazardous atmosphere, contains excessive space that causes vertigo, contains a material that has the potential for engulfing an entrant, contains any other recognized serious safety or health hazards. A confined space must have a limited means of entry, not allow entry, be designed for continuous human occupancy. If you score a 70% or greater on the course, you will be awarded a certificate of completion. To get started, call today